Hi, I'm Nick Connor with the Catamaran Company. I'm here at the Catamaran Company booth at the Miami International Boat Show. I wanted to show you some of the highlights of the Gemini Freestyle 37, one of the 3 Gemini models that we have here this year. Why don't we take a step on board and we'll check out some of the features. Helm station, we have all the lines running right back to the cockpit, so it's easy for one person to sail, easy for one person to handle. We also have brought over the hammock seat, which has been one of our popular features on past models. It is a great seat for someone in your party as you're underway. Going ahead to the main section of the boat, we do have a completely open concept, where it's open for you to decide exactly how you want to use this space. Whether it's benches or chairs, or just leaving it completely open so that you guys can just have a great time having a fun day out on the water. Moving up front, we do have a sink space and room underneath for a cooler. This model is definitely designated more toward a day sail or a weekender, so not really a full galley, but for a day, she's going to be a perfect fit. Moving up front, we have a lot of space where you can lay out and lounge. We have 2 great bench pulpit seats up front, 1 on each side. And we have nice deep lockers on either side for fender storage, line storage, life preservers. We also have 4 hatches that go into the cabin so that you can get a real nice airflow as you're underway. And we also have your hand-operated anchor locker as well. We also have a nice deep locker where you can set up a table and can even act as more storage. And you can see everything is nice and organized going all the way back to the helm station. Also on either side of the hardtop bimini, we do have ladders that you can get up and lay a towel out on and just have a nice long day of lounging in the sun. This is our 1 cabin, 1 head configuration. So on the starboard side, we do have our cabin. We have a fan in place, we have outlets in place. We have some good storage on either side. We also have LED light fixtures up on the ceiling as well. And you can see the hatches that I was talking about earlier. You open those up, you get some really good airflow while you're underway. Going down into the head, we have our control panels over here. Everything is nice and organized, laid out so that you can operate the boat with as little trouble as necessary. You have your radio in place, your stereo, as well as your water tanks. You have 1 commode, you have a shower hose that doubles as a sink, and you have a nice mirror in here that helps make the space feel a little bigger than it actually is. And again, we have 1 more fan up top, and we have 1 hatch that lets some natural light in, but it is fogged, so you do have that privacy that you need while you're in the head. Hope you've enjoyed this brief run through of the Gemini Freestyle 37. Gemini has been producing catamarans for over 30 years and has sold over 1,200 hulls. And I'm Nick Connor out of the Annapolis location for the Catamaran Company. And you can reach me direct at 443-569-3391 with any questions or inquiries you may have. Thanks. Hope you have a great day.